Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from thec'slife.com. And yep, we got that late night talk show sort of thing happening. Yeah, today was one of those recovery days, man. I don't know what it was, 24-hour bug, but I was able to overcome it. I like trained a couple of clients, then taught the boxing class today. And at the boxing class, although I was still feeling a little under the weather after the class was over, sweating a little bit, I just felt good. I had some awesome conversations with some of the trainers at Links about future things to come. Super excited about those, man. Just working on your craft and also working on your hobby and just blending them two together is just an awesome thing. Also got reached out again. Your boy may make an appearance on the news this Friday. Well, actually not Friday. It's a segment that's going to be recorded on Friday, set to be released like Sunday or Monday. Like they wanted me to share a couple of tips with the audience on how to prep for a marathon at home. I'll just recommend what I recommend all my athletes, right? Like the breathe, the roll, and the stretch and move. That's the campaign that I'm on. Like you excel or exceed at all of these different stages in your workout or your warm up, you'll just see excellent results, man. Like the results, the proof's in the pudding, man. Like guys come to me with lower back pain, knee pain. I just put them through the same movements, like your same general movements that you would that you're primarily like set for, right? Like you evolved as a species in order to like do these movements, but yet we are limited based on sitting at a desk all day or sitting at home all day, so it's just basically just getting them to move different parts of their body that they're not accustomed to moving, right? So getting them set that way. And yeah, I'm going to share that with some of the viewers. And then this week, like I had plans on like really doubling down starting today, but I just had to spend the day recovering, took a nap this afternoon. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's talk about basically the truth about making money on the internet, right? Let's talk that. Let's talk about that. Now, there's like hundreds, thousands of ways to make money online, right? And I'm sure if you're on Twitter, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you're seeing these campaigns running, telling you their perspectives on making money online. But I can guarantee that money that they're talking about is that they make online is basically selling you the money that they make, selling you the idea of making money online. All right. Because I made $2 million in 6 months, doing this system. All right. It's like, if you did make that much money in 6 months, why wouldn't you just double down? Like, why do you feel the need to teach that? Anyway, I digress. I'm not going to, knock anybody's hustle, but I just want to give you guys the truth, right? I want to give you guys the truth. Basically, it takes a lot of work, like a ton. You're going to have days where you win, there's going to be days where you're winning, like literally. Like I had days where I made hundreds of bucks on an affiliate product, and then the next 6 weeks, nothing. Right? You make like 400 bucks in a day, and then the next 6 weeks is like crickets, right? So there's hundreds of ways that you can make money online. There's affiliate marketing. There's agency work, right? You could like create your own agency. You could like do arbitrage where you get a client and you get a contractor, and you kind of sell the client on the contractor, and the contractor delivers to the client. So there's hundreds and thousands of ways to do it. But what people don't talk about is how hard it is to actually do. and make consistent revenue month over month, right? Because if you're doing it the way that these people prescribe, you're going to have your good week, but it's not going to be sustainable. It's not going to be something that you can just quit your job and go, right? Like literally, I've made thousands of bucks in 1 month, and then the next 3 months, just zero, right? So it's all about knowing, like having a clear sense of your strategy, and then having enough faith and determination and discipline to stay with that strategy in order to see the fruits of your labor. Because as I mentioned in this, one of my favorite quotes, I'm going to keep repeating, there's a season for sowing and then there's a season for reaping, but you don't do both in the same season, right? So it's basically sowing your seeds, right? Delivering results in advance. Sowing your seeds that you're sowing is delivering results in advance. And one misperception, if that's even a word, is that you offer value online and then you just like don't get any rewards in advance, right? Or you don't get any rewards, period. But one thing about value is not what you think is value, is what your prospects perceive as value, right? Because you could think like you're dropping the biggest, baddest knowledge bombs, and you just like, oh man, I just totally just made their day. But then they're like, oh yeah, I knew that, I'm doing that. It's basically that little golden nugget, right? That little secret sauce that you want to give them to help them with their results. So like if you're in a weight loss niche or the fitness niche, there's like hundreds of ways to communicate, build muscle or lose belly fat, get 6 packs in 6 weeks. There's hundreds of ways that you can market yourself, but it's like they can see that's everywhere, right? It's like a race to the bottom. It's like whoever has the cheapest product, same weight loss pill, I'm going to just choose that. But instead, if you give them like a story, or you give them like that secret sauce that those other products doesn't have, and actually get them results in advance, then there's like infinite potential there, right? And then that's when you're going to start paying yourself in the future, right? You're just delivering, just continue to sow those seeds. And then in the future, you're going to start reaping those benefits. And I've been at the end of reaping. I had a season for, I'm actually, I'm reaping right now, I think, but not the way that I thought I would reap. I'm getting these very large projects and they're paying me in bigger lump sums. So I guess I'm reaping. Or maybe I'm still sowing, who knows? Anyway, you can't do both in the same season. So you just want to be conscious of like these manipulation tactics that they would use on you. I wouldn't go as far as to say that they're wrong in their marketing, because maybe they are right. Maybe they did make that much money. But I promise you that the money that they made is definitely more on selling you the idea of making X amount of money online. So just watch out for those, all right? Anyways, that's going to be my time for this evening. If you found this video helpful, let me know. If you want to continue this conversation, this discussion, let me know. I'll let you know everything that I know, all right? And I love to share and hear. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Holla. Peace.